All right, here's Crystal's place. The elusive Crystal's place. Got you a little spigot and some water. Don't look too bad now. It's rained recently. Crystal's Place shelter in the Uwharrie National Forest. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, this is a pretty nice place. It's 260, about 12 by 16. Anyway, there was a log book there that my hiking buddy today, he's down here to filling it out. We just had a snack. We're on a day hike here. He's filling it out. We've eaten and we're getting ready to hike back. It's a nice place, nice fire pit. Oh yeah. Be a beautiful place to come spend the night. I just wish we could, but we don't have time today. All right. There's Crystal's Place shelter.
I'd say about a quarter of a mile.
Son, quarter of a mile down the water, down that way. Okay. The trail keeps going. Where's that? Why? There's the blaze. It keeps on going there. We came off of 109 and up there, and it's about less than a quarter mile. And you go up and turn a corner and down a little hill, and there's Crystal's Place shelter. I'm actually videoing this on my way back instead of on the way in. So we're on the way out. It's, what was it, 2.7 miles about, and we peeled around, took about almost 2 hours to get there. Hopefully it'll go back a little faster. We had a nice lunch, hot lunch. We on the way back. Oh, this is beautiful. You follow this beautiful creek for about, a good half to 3/4 of a mile. It's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Ah, it's just so beautiful. Oh, that's a lot of steps. Steep, steep, steep. Woo! Oh, it's pretty. No, that's a big step. Ooh. Just going slow. Beautiful, beautiful hike. Beautiful. This is the end of my trip to Crystal's Place shelter and back. There's the trail. It's about 2.75 or thereabout. It's been a good day. Them banners were put up for something else after we left, so I don't know what that is. Anyway,